Hi, I'm Mariana Cains. I am a scientist in M-Cubed, which is the mesoscale microscale meteorology lab at NSF NCAR. For this talk, I'm most excited to share work with end users of AI and machine learning weather products to understand how we predict hail, how we predict storm mode, which is the type of storm that is happening in the atmosphere and that can help to understand the impacts on the ground. I hope those at the Mesa Lab and those watching online walk away with a greater appreciation of the relationships that it requires to do research at a national level. And most importantly, maybe walk away knowing that there are cute sea turtles in Laguna Madre that are being saved by our machine learning and convergence science research.